I'm RJ Sigurdsson, Alberta's Minister of Agriculture and Irrigation. Alberta's flour milling industry plays an important role generating millions in annual economic impact and creating thousands of jobs. As populations continue to grow at home and abroad, demand for high-quality wheat flour products is expected to rise, and Alberta is well positioned to meet that demand. I'm excited to announce that our Agri-Processing Investment Tax Credit Program has helped attract a new flour mill to our province. P&H Milling Group qualifies for the program by building their new $241 million facility here in Red Deer County. When the facility is operational, about 750 metric tons of wheat from Western Canadian farmers will be milled into flour every day.
Western Canada is the ideal spot to get wheat to make hard wheat flour for bread and rolls. And we feel within 10 years, this market will be underserved with flour capacity. And we think we're going to see some of our customers expand and maybe even relocate to this area because they know they're going to have a good quality source of safe food. So this will help grow our entire industry.
The Ag Tax Credit is creating the right conditions for ag and food manufacturers to invest in Alberta and expand their businesses and stimulate our economy. I'd encourage other companies to check out the program on alberta.ca.